Hi everyone, I am Kaushik Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came back with a new video. In this video we are going to learn coefficient of correlation by using Spearman rank difference method. But before we start, we need to know some basic concept about coefficient of correlation and Spearman rank difference method. So let's get started. Coefficient of correlation. The correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of the strength of the relationship between the relative movement of two variables. The values range between -1.0 and 1.0. A number greater than 1.0 or less than -1.0 means there was an error in the correlation measurement. Okay, so there are two different methods of computing coefficient of linear correlation. One, product moment method, and two, rank difference method. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the rank difference method. Okay, then rank difference method. For computing the coefficient of correlation between two sets of score achieved by individual with the help of this method, we require rank, position of merit of this individual in possession of certain characteristics. The coefficient of correlation computed by this method is known as the rank correlation coefficient. As it considered only the rank of the individual in the characteristic A and B, it is designed by the Greek letter rho. Sometimes it is also known as Spearman coefficient of correlation after the name of its inventor. Okay. In the next part of the presentation, I will try to cover the whole thing through a math exercise. If you calculate coefficient of correlation by using Spearman rank difference method, then we can use this formula. So formula equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n square minus 1. Okay. So how is it done can be understood through the following example. The example, there is total 9 students A to I. So first variable, marks in education or X, 32, 18, 29, 42, 23, 34, 45, 28 and 23. Next variable, marks in history, Y, 22, 15, 16, 18, 20, 12, 15, 11, 17 and 20. Here is the example. Two variables, marks in education and marks in history. When we calculate coefficient of correlation by using rank difference method, then we converting the individual scores into ranks. For example, if the marks of a group of 5 students are given as 17, 25, 9, 35 and 18, we will rank them as 4, 2, 5, 1 and 3. The same process I am doing here. The first step is rank in education or RX. So highest marks in education is 45. Then 45 rank is 1. Next is 42. 42 rank is second. Next 34. 34 is rank 3. Next 32. 32 rank is 4. Okay. Next 29. 29 rank is 5. Next 28. 28 rank is 6. Okay, now we can see the same two numbers 23 and 23. In this case we are plus the two positions 7th plus 8 and divided by 2 equal to 7.5. Then both two scores rank is 7.5 and 7.5. Okay. So next 23 rank is 7.5. Okay. Another 23 7.5. 18 হচ্ছে 9. Next, similarly, rank in history or RY is 22 1, 22, 18 3, 17 4, 16 5, 15 6.5, 15 6.5, 12 8 or 11 9. Okay. Okay. Next step, calculate D. So what is D? D is the difference in ranks. Okay. So how can we calculate D? D equal to Rx minus Ry. In these steps, we calculate the D. Okay. So Rx minus Ry. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 6.5 is 2.5. 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 3 1. 7.5 minus 8 0.5. 3 minus 6.5 is 3.5. 1 minus 9 equal to 8, and 6 minus 4 2. 7.5 minus 2 is 5.5. So next we can calculate difference square or D square. So 3 square is 9. 2.5 square is 6.25. 0 1. 0.5 square is 0.25. 3.5 square is 12.25. 8 square 64. 2 square 4, and 5.5 square is 30.25. Okay. So now we summation the D square. So summation D square equal to 127. And now we go back to our formula. So formula P equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square by n square minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 6 into summation D square is 127 by n হচ্ছে গিয়ে total number of students 9 whole square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 127 is 762. 9 square 81 minus 1. So 1 minus 762 by 9 into 80. So 1 minus 762 divided by 720. So 1 minus 762 divided by 720 is 1.05, and P equal to 1 minus 1.05 is 0.05. So here's the answer. So today we are learn concept of coefficient of correlation and concept of Spearman rank difference method, and how can we calculate coefficient of correlation by using Spearman rank difference method. So dear students, I think you will definitely benefited from watching this video. If video is useful for you, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.